Yo, what's up everybody? It's Kalyan and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into web development, focusing on a crucial aspect that can feel like navigating a maze: debugging HTML and CSS. This video is your one-stop shop for mastering debugging with essential tools and techniques that'll transform you into a code-crushing ninja. First things first, we gotta make sure our HTML is solid. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation. That's where the W3C HTML validator comes in. It scans your code, finds syntax errors, and lets you know if you've messed up. Clean code is easier to work with and ensures your website is accessible and browser-friendly. Next up, we're going on a link hunt. Broken links are frustrating and can hurt your website's SEO. Tools like Broken Link Checker crawl your entire website, sniffing out links that lead to nowhere. A clean bill of health means a smoother experience for everyone. Let's talk about a powerful tool in your debugging arsenal: the browser developer tools, specifically the element inspector. Use it to select any element and see its HTML structure, styles, and properties. Edit HTML and CSS in real time and see changes instantly, making it easy to experiment and troubleshoot. Let's talk about IDs for a second. Each element needs a unique identifier, like a fingerprint. Tools like HTML and CSS validators help track down duplicate IDs, which can wreak havoc on your JavaScript and CSS. Cross-browser testing. One website, many browsers. We don't live in a perfect world where everyone uses the same browser. We've got Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and more. Cross-browser testing ensures our website looks and works as intended, no matter the browser. Luckily, tools and services help us test across multiple browsers without pulling our hair out. Just like we validated our HTML, it's time to validate our CSS. The W3C CSS validator scans your style sheets, flags syntax errors or invalid properties, and ensures your CSS is in shape. Valid CSS ensures consistent styles across browsers. Developer tools. Redux, mastering CSS debugging. With developer tools, inspect any element and see which CSS rules are applied, where they're from, and how they affect the element's style. Toggle CSS properties, change values in real time, and write new CSS rules directly within the developer tools. CSS conflicts occur when multiple rules target the same element with different styles. Tools like CSS Conflict Detector help identify conflicts and determine which rule takes precedence. Adjust the specificity of your CSS rules to resolve conflicts and restore order to your design. Cross-browser testing round 2, fight. Different browsers have their own quirks and CSS interpretations, leading to inconsistencies. Regular cross-browser testing is essential for catching and fixing these issues early. CSS preprocessors level up your styling game. CSS preprocessors like Sass and Less bring programming concepts like variables, functions, and mixins to CSS, making your style sheets more efficient and organized. They compile down to regular CSS compatible with all browsers. Tag detective, missing or mismatched tags. Each opening tag needs a closing tag, nested correctly. Most code editors highlight mismatched tags for easy spotting. Use browser developer tools to inspect HTML and find missing or misplaced tags. CSS specificity, the hierarchy of styles. CSS specificity determines which CSS rule wins when multiple rules target the same element. More specific selectors override less specific ones. Understanding specificity is crucial for debugging CSS issues and ensuring your styles are applied as intended. Different browsers have varying support for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript features. A website that works perfectly in one browser might have issues in another. Test your website in different browsers during development to address compatibility issues. In today's mobile-first world, it's not enough for your website to look good on a desktop. Responsive design uses flexible layouts, media queries, and other techniques to ensure your website's content is clear, easy to read, and engaging. JavaScript adds dynamic functionality to your website, making it more engaging and user-friendly. But sometimes our JavaScript can go rogue, causing broken functionality and unexpected behavior. Modern browsers have powerful developer tools to help you track down and squash those JavaScript bugs. And there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground, from validating your HTML and CSS to hunting down broken links, mastering the browser developer tools, and more. Debugging might not be glamorous, but it's essential for any developer. Embrace the tools and techniques we've discussed and transform debugging into a systematic process. Thanks for watching. By following these steps and using the right tools, you can effectively debug your HTML and CSS, ensuring a smooth website experience for your users.